In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the flashlight on your iPhone 13 device. Let's dive straight in. So there's a couple of different ways that you can access the flashlight on your iPhone 13. The first and the most easiest from the home page is just pulling down from the top right hand corner to the control panel. Now right here on the bottom left hand corner is the flashlight. So if I go and tap on this, that will turn on the flashlight, which you can see there. And also if I want to turn it off, I can tap on that one as well. And just another really cool feature that I'll quickly show you is that, say for example, you're reading a book during the night and you don't want the flashlight too bright, you can actually go and press and hold onto this, and that will give you this new setting where you can actually control the brightness of the flashlight, which is a really nice touch. So if I scroll down here, as you can see, the flashlight is kind of dimming. So I can just kind of put that onto whatever setting I like. Now, another really easy way on how to turn on and off the flashlight on an iPhone 13 is directly from your home page. So on the bottom left-hand corner here, by default, out of the box, the iPhone 13 has a flashlight toggle here and also the camera as well. So this is a little bit different to turn it on. If I go and tap on this, it actually won't turn on. What I want to do is do a short, firm press to turn on the flashlight. So I'll go and turn that on. And as you can see, this is now highlighted, which just notifies me that the flashlight is on. And again, if I want to turn it off, all I have to do is just do like a 1 second quick firm press, and that will go and turn off. And if I say, for example, turn this on the home screen, and if I come to the iPhone, I can also turn it off and on here as well. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and easy way on how to turn on and off the flashlight on your iPhone 13 device. And this will also work for all iPhone 13 models, including the Pros and the Maxes as well. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.